He offers something quite unique called Reggaecise, and if you want to find out more, just check out Art Starts, and of course the number will be on the screen and on our hotline as well. Morning. Just before we began, you were in a state of solitude, and you were doing something. Would you show us what that was, preparing for Reggaecise?
Right. It's just getting the mind and the body as one. And that's what exercise is about, getting the mind to know the body to know the mind. So we do great things. We breathe in.
Like Tai Chi.
Like Tai Chi,
yeah.
Right. Getting the blood flowing all over the body.
So if you just happened to be in bed watching us this morning, you could do this, stay in bed and do it.
I'm stressed like, yeah, you know.
Just doing what comes naturally.
Right. And then you're ready.
All right. We need some company to do this with us. What do you think? Do I have some volunteers? It's just like this. Come on. And come on over here.
We're gonna work.
Please join us. The more the merrier.
We're gonna work.
I can see those happy faces just dying to join us. Okay, come on over here. Great, great, great. All right, we're ready.
Remember, this is Reggaecise, right? But we're gonna work the arms, right? So
the arms ready.
We're just gonna go first with some, let's say, music, please.
Oh, there you go.
But get a rhythm, you know. You can. Right. So we.
The music helps, doesn't it?
Yes, it does, it does. And we go back with the arms. So then we can carry the hand in front and, you know, just keep the knees, bump to the beat, to the beat.
Oh, to the beat, okay. Yeah. This one's tough to do. Walking and chewing gum.
You're gonna shake it out. No, you can watch me do this one, right?
Okay, we'll watch it.
Okay. most of the time, I ask the ladies to go on the knees, down, back.
You think any of us is going to do that?
I just don't want you to do it this morning.
Who's game to join me on this one? Are you ready?
But I asked the brothers now, right? So
okay. Oh, boys, you're in trouble. Yeah, all right, I'm going over with the ladies. Here we go. Ready, gal? Shall we? Okay.
And then we go
down this way, I think. David, how are we doing over here?
Yeah, you're doing just great, right. So now I'm going the small one, right.
Over to the ladies' side?
So,
oh, yeah, I know you do.
Okay, look, now you're going to shake the arms out, right?
Shake it out. And
okay, so get back up.
But all right? There we go. Get the knees. There we go. A little bit of dirt on the knees.
Is the uppercut, right?
Oh, my parents dance.
Yeah, one of the Mike Tyson uppercut.
Sorry, Dad and Mom.
Okay, you can go cross.
Now, David, this is a bit like cardio, too, isn't it?
A bit like, yeah.
Our hearts are pumping.
Yeah. You don't see nothing yet.
Oh, the week is still young.
Yeah. Okay.
We got to take a break. We'll be back in just a couple of minutes. Thank you, David Smith.
Yay.
Oh, yeah. Oh.